Hello everyone, welcome back to Techavro. In this video, I will show you how to back up your Adobe Premium project file. At first, open your project in Premium Pro. Go to top menu and click Edit. Click Preference. Click Auto Save. Make sure the box that says Automatically Save Project is checked. You can also set how often you want Premium to save. For example, every 5 or 10 minutes is good option. Under the check Save Backup Project to Creative Cloud, this keep an extra copy online for safety. Now Premiere will automatically save backup in folder called Adobe Premium Pro Autosave. You can find it the same directory as main project file. If you want to make a manual backup, just go to File and Save as Project Backup and save it in other locations such as an external drive or cloud folder. In that way, even if your main file get corrupted or deleted, you will always have safe copy to fall on backup. And that's how you have successfully set up Project Backup in Premium Pro. If you all like this video, please like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.